When we try to understand what is happiness, most of us look at others and think that whatever makes others happy will make us happy too. We try to find happiness while searching through electronic and social media, looking at Facebook posts of others and ignoring our inner self. As a result, even after doing everything that is trending, we feel hollow and unhappy. When I tried to search what really makes me happy, I discovered many things, but the most important factor is that anyone can only be happy when he or she is healthy. A food lover won't be able to eat what he loves, a travel lover won't be able to travel to places he loves, and a socializer won't be able to join the gatherings he loves when he is not healthy. To remain healthy, we must eat healthy food and avoid junk food and maintain an active lifestyle that involves sports and exercise on daily basis. When we know that we won't be able to do anything that we love if we are not healthy, then it is our obligation to try and be healthy throughout our lives. Remember, an unhealthy person is dependent upon others, while a healthy person takes care of everyone around.